So Haley, we're going to do a single arm row. So this exercise, we're going to put one knee here, and one knee here to try and give it straight back. Going to grab the weight, and you're going to raise forward, and then raise down. Whilst doing this drill, make sure that you breathe, and the whole point of this drill is to give strength to your deltoids and your biceps. So if you come over here, we'll start off with some light weight. Put your knee there, yep. Put your one arm up here. Make sure that we have a straight back, and you give support for your back and your core. So grab the weight and lift it. Good work. Make sure we breathe. Very good. Good work. And again, that's 4. Good. 5, that's halfway. 5 to go. Very good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And good work. Put the weight down and up. With that exercise, did you find the weight was okay?
Yes, I did.
That's good.